Is Art going to do the canoe?
I don't know, but I think you better get that farther into the water before they...
Well, they'll be able to push it off.
Harry, you might get it all the way down in the water better, and its balance is better. Oh, okay.
Or we might need to skip an Art in.
I think it's a good thing he's got that...
Does Art know how to swim?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure he does. Brad's dad doesn't, and he fell out of his boat down there by the island one day with his son. But it would just happen to be shallow enough that, I mean, he was flunking around and his son goes, "Dad, put your feet down." Yeah. The water, and he was able to, I'm telling you, every one of us on the deal jumped up and started running. And we all ran different directions. I ran that way like I was going to help him. Another one ran toward the barn to get a life vest thing. And it was, and Donna just sat there and went, "Oh, oh, oh." We laughed at our reactions.
How is Brad's father doing?
He's getting older. I mean, he's 84, I think, now. And so he's not moving around real well.
Oh, my dad paddling a canoe. That's a sight I never thought I'd ever see.
You never know what Brad gets into. I'm going to go add some more eyes.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, I'll tell you.
Oh, that's a really quiet motor.
Yeah, it's electric.
Rita heard a big giant dog. And the next morning they got her cat. Well, then Wayne called so they couldn't find her dog. Well, today I was sleeping when the wind got a little bit and I wondered if man, y'all are going pretty fast for no motor.
Want to take over?
That's fast. I think Grandpa does a pretty good job paddling. And Cammy too. Paddling in a canoe? Paddling a canoe? He bought this especially so he could go out there and do this. So he had to wait for 2 years to do this. Cammy's very serious about the whole thing. She seems to be paying attention to the direction. Have you noticed? She's doing good. Yeah.
Well, they are doing pretty good.
Yes, they are. Oh, now you can probably see that bird really well.
Yeah, well, he turns his back on us.
Oh, do you want to try to get a picture of the white egret?
Oh my.
It's a white egret on the end of the island.
I can see it. I didn't know what it was, but I can tell now that you tell me. They'll get to
You know, I feel like...
good look at it if they think to see it.
Uh-oh, the cattle are having an uproar out there.
Yeah, the cows are a little
Stampede.
Well, that's not dangerous when you're on the
Oh,
water.
look at the crane. Yeah.
It's amazing.
We got a pair of them here the other day. My granddaughter, there's also a gray one that frequents itself here. And my granddaughter just loves them.
Very pretty.
We got to go kayaking in La Jolla last year. That was fun.
Oh, yeah.
We went into a sea cave.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was a lot of fun.
That smelled terrible, but
Did it?
but it was fun.
And we got into the cave and Anita stopped paddling, started looking around,
Get him out of the canoe. I carried him.
and it wasn't really a big cave, and there were waves washing us back and forth.
Ride the canoe.